I've got a super quick but handy one today. So I'm texturing this shoe, and it's got a lot of different texture sets because the shoe has lots of different parts that require different textures. So just for example, I'm going to drag and drop this texture onto this part. And I'm going to tile it just to make it smaller. Okay, perfect. So if I want to see only the part with that fabric, only this texture set, what I do is I go up to the top and there's this hide, ignore, excluded geometry. So whatever I have selected in the texture set will be the only thing that shows. And now I can work just on this, which is really great when you're layering and you want to get in the fine details, but you don't want everything else to get in the way. And when I want to see everything again, I go back up to that button and click it again. There's another way to do this. You can go over to your texture set list and alt click on the eyeball. And then when you want your geometry back, alt click again. And this works with any of the textures. So same thing with the laces. And there's one other thing to know. If you don't have a layer in the texture set that you're using, so if I delete that layer, you'll note that the isolation mode is no longer available at the top. So that's just something to know. Alt click still works to isolate, so you can still get it alone, but just know that if this is gray, that's just because you need something here. And that's it. I hope this helped you guys. Please watch my playlist in Substance. I've got a lot more, and thanks for watching.